Alright guys, so welcome back to Blue Line Garage. Basically, in this how-to video, I'm just going to show you how to remove this chrome basically cover on top of the hood. It's made out of plastic, it's a little loose, it rattles sometimes, so that's probably the reason why you want to take it off. So I'm going to go ahead and show you details on how to remove this. Fairly easy, basically simple tools that you might have at home. Alright, so let's get going. Alright, first thing you want to do is open up the hood. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to look underneath the hood and you will see these clips here. There's one here, one over there, one over there. All right, and what we want to do is we want to just pinch these off. You could use minor force, a rubber mallet, or even some pliers. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so here where you see I have those pieces of cardboard, basically you want to put some type of wedge in there. I use cardboard just because I had it laying around, but you want to prevent those clips from falling back down and grab it. Alright, so basically this is being held down by strong adhesive glue. So when these vehicles first came out at high speeds, these grille covers would actually fly off. So there was a recall on them. So when they were brought to the dealer, this is what the dealer did. They popped the cover off and put this heavy, heavy silicone type of glue underneath it, and it's a pain in the butt to get off. So you need constant lift on this grill to kind of like separate the glue just enough to get some type of blade under there or some type of knife. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and just speed this up so you kind of see what I had to deal with trying to get this off, because you would probably deal with the same way too. I actually ended up using a bread knife once I was able to lift it up enough to cut that silicone. So let's go ahead and speed this up. Okay, so there you can see I had silicone on 3 rows here, and that had to come off. And it looks like this might have been a repair at one time, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. But so now we're gonna have to clean all this stuff out, clean it all out, fix this stuff. So these are loose here, these little hex bolts. We're gonna tighten these. Alright, so pretty much that's how you end up taking the hood grill off. Make sure you have either a very long flexible knife, anything to be able to cut that silicone off. Alright, so as you could see, some pretty strong actually and thick silicone was applied to this, and I'm actually going to have to do the same thing as well when I put it back on. I was able to inspect these tabs, which was actually already broken off before I even attempted to pull this up. So pretty much what happened was, originally when these vehicles came out, there was a recall, and the recall was that these hood grills, or louvers they call them, would actually fly up at high speeds. So the recall basically brought them in, and this is basically what the fix was. And as you could see, it also made it really hard just to get it off as well. So with that being said, hopefully this video helps you out, and make sure that you like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram right here. Alright, so with that being said, I hope this video helps you out. I do have other how-to videos. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. A lot of you guys are showing me a lot of love. I appreciate that. Follow me on Instagram for sneak peeks on my future builds.
Also, leave comments. Tell me something that I might have missed, or that you might suggest. Those are always welcome. On that, ring that bell. Make sure you subscribe. Share it with a friend. Peace.